Jake here for American Trucks, and today I've got the Aeroskin hood protector in chrome for 2021 and newer F-150s, excluding the Raptor. Adding a hood deflector is one of the best and easiest ways to protect your F-150's paint, and this Aeroskin hood protector provides you a sleek, low-profile design that looks cool, and it also adds some extra armor to the front end of your truck without breaking the bank. Now, if you've ever had something fly up and hit the front end of your truck as you're cruising along, you've had that sinking feeling in the pit of your gut wondering how bad the damage is going to be. But if you want to avoid that feeling altogether, then a hood protector is going to be the way to go. Now, this Aeroskin unit might be one of the coolest out there because it just looks so right on the front end of the truck. Unlike a lot of other hood protectors, this features a really sleek, low-profile design that matches the lines of your hood on the F-150 perfectly. So it's not going to stick up or impact visibility in any way, and it blends in really nicely with the styling of the truck. It also extends a bit onto the leading edge of the hood, as you can see here, so it's going to protect the area of your truck that is one of the most susceptible to rock chips and other debris. Now, this is made from injection molded ABS plastic, and it's designed to be exactly this 0.11 inches thick, so it's going to be able to stand up to those rocks and other debris like bugs and dirt and whatever else might be out there. This is a really durable material that still has some give to it, so it means that it's not going to shatter or crack like something more brittle might. It's also going to be able to withstand the elements. It's also finished in chrome, as you can see, so it adds a nice little pop of style to the front end of your truck. And if your F-150 already has a chrome grille, it's going to blend in really nicely with that too, so it looks more like an original factory piece of trim than some of the others out there on the market. Now, as far as these sorts of things go, this one is a bit more expensive than most, but it's not quite the top of the market. It's still going to run you about $200. Still not too bad considering how well it integrates, the quality of the construction, and the fact that getting your hood fixed and repainted is going to cost quite a bit more than this. Now, installation is also very easy, coming in at a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter. This is purely a peel and stick sort of setup with this double-sided tape already installed to mount it. It should only take you about 15 minutes to get it installed. Just make sure your hood is cleaned and prepped well before you attempt getting it on. And to walk you through that process now, let's head on over to the install bay.
Tools required for this install include the included alcohol prep pads and surface prep pad. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a hood protector on your F-150, so let's get started. Now, first step, I'm going to go ahead and put a caliper hanger into our latch. That way we can pull our hood down a little bit, have a little bit of a gap, and then we can line up our edges properly. So now we'll take our alcohol prep pad and clean up our surface. We're going to be working from the bottom of the front of the hood up until this body line right here. So now we'll come in with our surface prep pad and do the same exact thing. So to install our hood protector, we have a bunch of strips of double-sided tape. So we're going to peel back the edges and lay them over the corner. That way we can lay down our hood protector onto our hood, get it in a position we like, pull back on our double-sided tape, and stick it down. Now, if you're doing this on a flat surface, I would recommend to get a soft surface. That way you don't scratch up the chrome on the other side. Now we're going to take our edge and fold it over the corner just like that. So then once we lay it down, we can grab onto that and pull the rest of the tape out. And we're going to do this for all of our edges. And now we can work on getting this onto the truck. So now we can lay our hood protector on top of our hood and line it up. Now we're gonna stick down our bottom edge first so that we can line that up. And then we can work on our top in the middle. And then we can come over and work on our corner. So we'll get that lined up and pull back on our tape. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Aeroskin hood protector in chrome for your 2021 to current F-150, excluding the Raptor. Thank you for watching, and remember, for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.